Is it possible to have a breakfast recipe that is protein rich, iron rich, fiber rich, super yummy, and on top of all, ready in just 10 minutes? Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Try making Palak Chilla once and I'm sure you'll make it again and again and again because of how tasty and simple it is. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Take a mixing bowl and add chopped spinach, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, some green chillies and chopped ginger. Now add besan, not all at once, but just mix 2 tablespoons of besan with a little bit of water to form a smooth paste. And then again add some more besan, add some water and then mix it again. So in total, I've added 6 tablespoons of besan and approximately 1 glass of water. And this is how the consistency should look like. See? Not too thick and not too runny. Time to add in some salt, some turmeric powder, some red chilli powder, and some carom seeds, also known as Ajwain. Really recommend you to sprinkle some chaat masala at the end and it will really make a difference. Let's start cooking. Now heat a pan and add some oil to it. Once the pan is hot, spread the batter gently and try to make it as round as possible. I know Besan Chilla never really turns out to be perfectly round, but that's okay. So flip it and put some oil on it. Cook it again for 2 to 3 minutes until you see some brown spots, and you'll just know when it's perfectly cooked. Start leaving the pan and that's when you know that it's perfectly ready to be taken out. Similarly, make all your chillas, or as I would like to call them, healthy Indian spiced spinach pancakes that are a bit different from the normal Besan Chilla that we have and also are a lot more healthier. Thanks a lot for watching and please subscribe to my channel if you liked the video. I'll be back with more amazing videos just for you. Till then, take care, stay healthy and keep cooking.